Here's how to sew reusable, eco-friendly makeup removing wipes. This is a really quick and easy project. It's great for beginners and it's really good for getting rid of scraps. All you'll need is a towel or washcloth and some cotton fabric. To make the circle template, I'm just tracing a glass cup onto a scrap piece of cardstock and then cutting that out. Also, just a little tip if you are a beginner, make sure you do not cut paper with fabric scissors. Okay, now I have that template cut out, so we're just gonna set it on top of our fabric and cut one piece in each of our fabrics. So one in the cotton and one in the towel fabric. So this is the final step. This is seriously the quickest and easiest project ever. Just set that cotton piece on top of the towel piece, and all you're gonna do is pin it or clip it together and then serge around the edges. And don't worry if you don't have a serger, you can just do a zigzag stitch with your regular sewing machine, but I already have a serger, so that's what I'm using. Now that you've sewn that up, the project is complete. It's super easy, super simple, and super fast. This probably only took me 5 or 10 minutes. Happy sewing!